So I'm going to provide a little comparison of how we think about CDAP versus what you would do without CDAP. So you're sitting on top of big data infrastructure, things like Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, clouds like AWS, Azure, and Google. They could be on-prem, public clouds, edge. And so think of this as the solution that you're building. So there's some amount of core work you're going to have to do to actually talk to those APIs directly. There's the common stuff that a lot of your different applications are going to have to do, and then there's the custom business logic for that specific use case or application. So typically, people DIY, right? You integrate the different components that you want to integrate, right? Whether it's a Hadoop distribution or a public cloud, you basically have a bag of APIs, right? Now you've got to weave these APIs together. So you weave them together, you do the common stuff and the custom stuff, and it's all this kind of tightly coupled solution. There's the tools route. Multiple tools, multiple vendors typically. So these tools are really taking care of dealing directly with the low-level APIs. They're doing some of the integration. They're doing some of the common tasks. You have to integrate the tools. If I do data prep in one tool and I do ingestion ETL when I operationalize it in another tool, if those tools can't talk to each other, somehow I have to actually integrate them. Oftentimes there might be a gap in the tool, or maybe I need to build my own little custom thing. So I might go down in that layer a little bit, and then I build my solution. And so you're definitely better off, but you might end up in like POC hell. You might end up with like 4 different vendors. You don't really know. And so that's why Cask's in the market. So I've been describing to you the platform that sits underneath it. This is the portable production runtime. There's this set of different frameworks that sit on top of it, and all the frameworks are kind of interchangeable and can exchange information. And then solutions get built up on top. Our frameworks are mostly open source as well. We have a few commercial enterprise ones, but many of our customers extend our frameworks. Many of the frameworks are built for extensibility, and also you can build your own frameworks.